Good morning, students. Welcome back to the mathematics class. In today's class, let us learn before numbers, after numbers, between numbers, and comparison of numbers. See this image, children? What are there in this image? Yes, cock, pig, sheep, horse, and cow. Here, they are all going in a line. Cow before which animal is there? Yes, horse. Horse before? Yes, sheep is there. And sheep before? Pig is there. Pig before? Cock is there. Cock after which animal is there? Pig. Pig after? Sheep. Sheep after? Horse. Horse after? Cow is there. And between cock and sheep, which animal is there? Yes, pig. And between pig and horse, sheep is there. And between sheep and cow, which animal is there? Yes, horse is there. Now, let us give the numbers for each of the animal. 1 for cock, 2 for pig, 3 for sheep, 4 for horse, and 5 for cow. Cow before which animal is there, children? Yes, horse. What is the number for cow? 5. And what is the number of horse? 4. So, 5 before which number is there? 4. Pig before what is there? Cock. What is the number of pig? 2. And what is the number of cock? 1. So, 2 before what is the number? 1. The number before 2 is 1. In the same way, the number before 4 is 3. The number before 3 is 2. In the same way, we have to write the before numbers of all the other numbers also. Understood, children? Pig after which animal is there, children? Yes, sheep. What is the number of pig? 2. And what is the number of sheep? 3. So, 2 after number is 3. The number after 2 is 3. And what is the number of horse? 4. What is the number of cow? 5. Cow is after horse. So, here 5 is the after number of 4. 4 after the number is 5. In the same way, 1 after the number is 2. 3 after number is 4. 4 is the after number of 3. And what is the animal between pig and horse? Sheep. The number of sheep is 3. So 3 is in between 2 and 4. The number between 2 and 4 is 3. Understood, children? In the same way, you have to write after numbers, before numbers, and between numbers to any number. See this image, children? What are there in this image? Yes, deer, lion, giraffe, and elephant. They are running one after the other. Here also, let us give the numbers for each of the animal. 54 for deer, 55 for lion, 56 for giraffe, and 57 for elephant. Which animal is before elephant? giraffe. So 57 before number is 56. And before to giraffe, which animal is there? Lion. So here the number before to 56 is 55. Before number of 56 is 55. And which animal is before lion? Deer. So here the number before to 55 is 54. The before number of 55 is 54. And deer after which animal is there? Lion. So 54 after the number is 55. Lion after the animal is giraffe. So 55 after the number is 56. After number of 55 is 56. Giraffe after the animal is elephant. So after number of 56 is, yes, 57. And which animal is there in between deer and giraffe? Lion. So the number between 54 and 56 is 55. And which animal is there in between lion and elephant? Giraffe. So the number between 55 and 57 is 56. Understood, children? How to write after, before and between numbers? Okay. Now let us do the textbook exercises. All of you open page number 22 in your textbook. Read the heading, children. WRITE, right? WHAT, what? COMES, comes. BEFORE, before. What is the before spelling? BEFORE, before. Write what comes before. Here they have given the numbers. We have to write the before number of that given numbers. See the first one. What is the number they have given? 3. 3 before number is 2. And see the next one. What is the number? Yes, 5. The given number here is 5. What is the before number of 5? Yes, 4. And see the next one. What is this number? 9. 9 before number is? Good, 8. So write here 8. And next number is 2. What is the number before 2? Yes, 1. Before number of 2 is 1. And next 3 are the homework. And see the next one, children. Read the heading. WHAT, what? COMES, comes. AFTER, after. What comes after? What is the spelling of after? AFTER, after. Here they have given the numbers. We have to write the after number for that given numbers. See the first one. What is the number they have given? 2. 2 after number is 3. And see the next one. What is that number? Good, 5. 5 after what is the number? Good, 6. 5 after the number is 6. And what is the next number? 8. 8 after number is? Yes, 9. 8 after the number is 9. And next number is 3. 3 after what is the number? Good, 4. 3 after number is 4. So write here 4. And next 3 are the homework. And see the next one, children. Read the heading. WHAT, what? COMES, comes. IN, in. BETWEEN, between. What comes in between? What is the between spelling? BETWEEN, between. Here we have to write the between number for the given numbers. See the first one. The given numbers are 1 and 3. The between number of 1 and 3 is 2. 1, 2, 3. And next one. What are the numbers given? 2, 4. Between number of 2 and 4 is? Good. 3. 2, 3, 4. And next one is 8 and 10. Between number of 8 and 10 is 9. 8, 9, 10. The between number of 8 and 10 is 9. And next two numbers are 5 and 7. The between number of 5 and 7 is? Good. 6. 6 is the between number of 5 and 7. And next three are the homework. Now, let us learn how to compare the numbers. See here, children. What are there in this image? Yes, apples and mangoes. Here, apples are more than mangoes. Yes, children. Yes, apples are more than mangoes. How many apples are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many apples are there? 9 apples are there. And how many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes are there. So here 9 apples are more than 3 apples. So here 9 is greater than 3. Why? Because apples are more than mangoes. So here 9 is greater than 3. To compare the numbers, we use 3 signs: greater than, lesser than, and is equal to. The open side of the symbol shows the greater number and the closed side of the sign shows the lesser number. Understood, children? Open side of the sign shows the greater number and closed side of the sign shows the lesser number. So here first one is the greater sign and second one is the lesser sign. And if the numbers are equal means we have to keep the is equal to sign. Third one is the is equal to sign. Understood, children? So here 9 is greater than 3. So we have to use the symbol greater symbol. So we have to write 9 is greater than 3 like this. Understood, children? And see the next image. What are there in this image? Yes, yellow roses and red roses. How many yellow roses are there? 5. How many red roses are there? 7. Here, yellow roses are lesser than red roses. So, 5 is lesser than 7. The number 5 is lesser than 7. To show 5 is lesser than 7, we have to write lesser than sign in between 5 and 7. See here, children, we have to write like this. 5 lesser than 7. And see the next image. What are there in this image? Birds and animals. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds are there. How many animals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 animals are there. Here the number of birds and the number of animals are same. So here 6 is equal to 6. We have to write 6 is equal to 6 like this. Understood, children? How to compare the numbers? Now let us do the textbook exercises. All of you open page number 24 in your textbook. Read the heading, children. Count the number of objects and put greater or lesser sign. One has been done for you. See the first picture, children. Here there are two groups of lollipops. In the first group, how many lollipops are there? 6 lollipops are there. And in the second group, there are 2 lollipops. Here the lollipops in the first group are more than the lollipops in the second group. So here 6 is greater than 2. We have to write the greater than sign here. And see the next one. What are there in this image? Yes, bulbs. There are 2 groups of bulbs. In the first group, how many bulbs are there? Count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bulbs are there. So write there 5. And the next group, how many bulbs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bulbs are there. So write here 8. Here the bulbs in the first group are lesser than the bulbs in the second group. So here 5 is lesser than 8. So what symbol we have to keep here? Yes, lesser than sign. Right here lesser than sign, children. And see the next one. What are there in this picture? Yes, bees. There are 2 groups of honey bees. In the first group, how many bees are there? 9 bees are there. Right here 9, children. And in the second group, how many bees are there? Yes, 4 bees are there. Here the bees in the first group are more than the bees in the second group. So here 9 is greater than 4. So here we have to keep the greater than sign. See the next image, children. What are there in this image? Yes, 2 groups of jugs. In the first group, how many jugs are there? 3 jugs are there. Right here 3. And in the second group, how many jugs are there? 7 jugs are there. So write there 7. Here the jugs in the first group are lesser than the jugs in the second group. So here 3 is lesser than 7. So we have to keep the lesser than sign. And next 2 are the homework. And now all of you open page number 25, children. Read the heading. Put the sign greater or lesser in the boxes. Here they have given the numbers. We have to keep the greater than sign or lesser than sign. See the first one. What are the numbers there? Yes, 4 and 7. Is 4 greater or lesser than 7, children? Yes, 4 is lesser than 7. So we have to keep here lesser than sign. Remember, children, always before numbers or lesser than the after numbers. See the next one. What are the numbers there? Yes, 8 and 3. 8 is greater than 3. So here we have to keep the greater than sign. And see the next one. What are the numbers? 6 and 1. 6 is greater than 1. So here we have to keep the greater than sign. And next 3 are the homework. Read the next heading, children. Write the numbers using greater than, lesser than or equal to signs. Here they have given the word form, children. We have to write in numbers for that given sentences. See the first one. 8 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. So here we have to write 8 is equal to 8. And see the next one. SEVEN 7. IS is GREAT or greater. THAN than ONE 1. 7 is greater than 1. So here we have to write 7 greater than sign and 1. And see the next one. F5VE 5. IS is LESS less. THAN than SIX 6. 5 is less than 6. So write 5 and lesser than sign and 6. 5 is lesser than 6. And see the next one. TEN 10. IS is GREAT or greater. THAN than FOUR 4. 10 is greater than 4. We have to write the number 10 and next greater than sign and next 4. 10 is greater than 4. And see the next one. THREE 3. IS is LESS less. THAN than NINE 9. 3 is less than 9. How to write? Yes, we have to write 3 and less than sign and 9. 3 is lesser than 9. And see the next one. EIGHT 8. IS is GREAT or greater. THAN than SEVEN 7. 8 is greater than 7. So here we have to write 8 and greater than sign and 7. 8 is greater than 7. And next 2 are the homework. Understood, children? How to write before, after, between numbers and how to compare the numbers? That's all for today's class, children. Do the given homework. Thank you.